hold you down.
First, I'm using my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, and this helps to smooth out my face and my pores and everything and keep my makeup on. So then I like to go into foundation, and this is the Stay Matte Makeup from Clinique, and this is my favorite like matte foundation. It's like a medium coverage and it covers really well, stays on super well. I like to go a little bit darker so I don't look like a ghost because my natural color is very pale, so I like to go a little bit darker, and then I like to buff it in with this brush. And I'm doing 2 layers here because I wanted to build it up more to a medium or full, but you can kind of sheer it out for a more sheer medium coverage. So then I'm going in with my Beyond Perfecting Concealer, and this actually just came out. If you haven't heard of it, so good, and it's full coverage, transfer proof, and waterproof. So then I'm setting with my Clinique powder, and this powder is so silky and smooth, and it sets the makeup really well. So then I'm going in with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this stuff is really good. It keeps the eyeshadow on like all day and all night, so if you have somewhere to be, this is the stuff you need. I just made up like a pun. What was that? So then I'm going in with my Stay Matte Sheer.
That was a rhyme.
Okay, David. So then I'm going in with my Stay Matte Sheer Powder and just setting even more because I'm combination oily, so I like to set that face. And then I'm going in with my Curvy Contour Stick from Clinique and contouring a little bit. And I love this stick because it works on all skin tones, like from the lightest person to the darkest person, depending on how much you build it. So I'm doing this. Normally I like to do this under powder, but obviously I forgot today, so I did it over powder. And then I'm going in with my cream blush in Amped Up Apple, also from Clinique, and I love these cream products. They're great. So then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in these 2 colors. One of them is Fire Crystal, but I don't actually know what the other one is called. I just like to put that on my cheekbones and my nose and my Cupid's bow. And then I'm putting this orange shade in my crease, kind of as just like my all over shade. And then I'm taking a darker orange and blending that in the outer corner. And I just like to blend because if you don't blend, it can start to look muddy. So I like to just blend a lot, and I love orange with my blue eyes because it really brings out the blue. And then I'm popping this gold color on my lid, and this is super pretty. And this has been my go-to eye look just because I think it's really flattering on me and it's really easy. And then I'm putting this bright white from Clinique that came in this little set in my inner corner and lining my eyes with this black eyeliner in Intense Ebony. David is laughing at me if you hear laughing, because I'm making a crazy face. So then I'm taking my Clinique High Impact Mascara, and this is the best mascara for like volume and length, but also still looks natural to where you can wear it every day. So I love this. I'm just putting this on my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going in with my Clinique Soft Brown Eyebrow Pencil. This is the super fine liner for brows. And this is really good because I like how thin it is, so you can create those hair-like strokes. And then I'm going in with this little tinted brow mousse. Then I'm taking my lipstick in Blushing Pop, which is my favorite at the moment, and way too much setting spray because I'm extra. And that's it.
Haven't I made it clear? Want me to